feeling, Charlie?
So excited.
You run on the floor, feels like dancing is the way to go. But if you let her see that man say footwork, sure that you're not that shy. Let her see that man say footwork, sure you're that type of guy.
Hit the water, under, blah! Couldn't get the rock, blah!
Two-step, 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 two-step.
Okay, so seaside, wild features, low water quality, but that's alright because you haven't had a ton of fun.
Can we have a taste test?
Taste test now, after you.